Come and gather round, my children, come and listen to my words. I'll promise fame and fortune, yes, I will promise you the world. So if you're searching for a meaning, searching hard and it's hard not climb, I will open up my doors for you, please do step inside. So if you're weak or if you're crippled, I will heal all of your wounds. Have faith in my abilities, your revival will start very soon. Well, me, I'm just a vessel, yes, I only live to serve. And yes, I make some money, but money is not my concern. I'm the pastor and the preacher, I'm the minister and the priest, the instructor and your sensei. Don't do as I do, do as I teach. Don't you listen to the doctors, don't listen to their lies. Over here we are like family, look into my honest blue eyes. Yes, I live a life of luxury, I live a life that's blessed. A big old house and 7 cars, but trust me, it's for the best. So while you're trying to pay the rent this month, trying to make ends meet, come and see me every Sunday, but make sure to bring the money I need. And don't you ask confusing questions, don't expect apology. I need those cars and this big old house so I can keep on setting you free. I'm the swindler and the criminal, the cheater and the thief, the charlatan and your savior. Don't do as I do as I teach. So make sure to take that medicine, make sure to take them pills. Let my healing hands keep touching you and absolve you from your guilt. So cover your ears and cover your mouth and cover your eyes too. But make sure to make a donation so I can keep on saving you. Oh, my darling, won't you stay? You seem so restless and itchy today. Oh, my love, I'll massage your antlers. There's an absence in your eyes I've perceived. You seem so distant when answering me. Oh, my love, our queen won't be happy. But there you go, off on your journey towards the sun. I don't know what's gotten into you, but I fear it's far from done. Forgive me all my rambling, I'm droning on again. Oh, my darling, won't you eat? I brought you some food from a picnicking family. Oh, my love, will the colony think? Your movements become rigid and solid and stiff. It's almost like you're possessed, it's almost as if, oh my God, please not that fungus. But there you go, off on your journey towards the sun. I don't know it's gotten into you, but I fear it's far from done. And forgive me all my rambling, I'm droning on again. So I'll pick you up, lift you away from home, look for the highest cliff and cast you off on your own. I've loved you all my week, I've loved you all my life, but I'm very sorry, baby, this is goodbye. Here we are at what seems to be the end. And although I see a line, I'm not sure of what it says. We've been here a few times before. Our roots are wasting, don't know where to look. And although I see a mirror, I'm not sure if it's any good. I'm afraid we might be stranded in an endless sea. No soil, no foundation, only company. Trapped like leaves, caught by the wind. Treading water, but nobody's bailing out. Our feet have been cold for some time. Our lifeboat is leaking, and we're afraid to drown. Nowhere to fall but down. Oh, my beloved. Oh, my admired. Trapped like leaves, caught by the wind. Here we are at what seems to be the end.